on a refrigerator, I like to use a magic eraser. They are wonderful for making it look brand new. And I'll tell you, that's not coming off, but that's not a mark. So I want to show you. See that little scuff mark in there? Magic erasers are wonderful for getting off scuff marks from food markings. Let's see. I already did the top half before I thought to make a recording. But yeah, a magic eraser will make it look brand new. And especially like, see this part? A rag and just a cleaning solution won't remove that, but a magic eraser will. So, okay, back to work.